Oh. There's mashed potatoes on my feet now. Guys, Dead Channel here. Today we have most of the members of Scam TV, the ones that actually care.
The ones that matter.
We're going to be filming parkour. Credit to Ryan Higa, he made up the game. And yeah, let's start.
It's like horse, but you do parkour.
Yeah, horse with parkour. Oh. Okay guys, so to see who goes first, we're going to play rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. And I go first. So the first thing I'm going to do is swing from 2 bars to another 2 bars. Nice. Okay, Sam, let's do this. Get that speed going. Make the jump. Fail.
Okay, so I'll be doing a front flip off this slide.
Oh, nice one. I don't think me or Sam can do a front flip, so I'll just take the X on that one. Sam, are you gonna do it? No. Okay.
We have to. You have to flip.
Okay.
Yeah, you have to do this. Oh. My feet can't fit in these holes. My feet are too big. Just do it. Fat feet. Ah. Super duper man. Superman! Just get the other leg over. Get the other leg over. And done. Okay.
What you have to do, you have to jump from here, land on that green thing over there, and hop over to the ground.
Ninja.
Oh, he's reaching, making the reach. Hopping over. And so make the jump. Nice, perfect. Sort of good landing. Hey Sam, just get those legs over there.
Get those legs moving! Yep.
I know, it's a pretty big drop. Okay, nice.
So I'll be jumping up, climbing over this, walking along here,
yeah,
and then climbing over this,
yeah,
standing here, jumping onto the slide, and a 360 off the slide. Oh, yeah. You're not gonna be.
Now do the 360.
360 no scope.
5 seconds.
You're not touching your hands on the ground.
I want you to put it over here.
Okay, 360.
360. You can't touch the.
Come on, Sam, hit the 360.
You can't touch anything. 360.
Nice. So the next thing we're gonna do, you have to run, jump from side to side, land on this nail. You can get as much of a run as you want. And he made the jump, but kind of failed.
Oh, nailed it.
Oh geez, how do you do this? Wait a second. Oh geez. Wait, which way do you put your hands? Which way do you put your hands?
Like, I can't tell you.
No, please.
Okay, the other way. Other way.
This way?
Yeah, like,
It should be in this
yeah, yes, like that.
Oh, my hands are sweaty.
He's gonna die.
Don't fall.
He's gonna die.
Fall.
Okay.
Now just-
Yeah, I'll take it in. So you're jumping up there, and
10 seconds.
you have to hold. That's easy. Okay.
No, it's spinning. That's 10 seconds.
Okay. We'll see what the judges say.
That was too easy. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's time. Okay. What you have to do? Jump up to the top bar. Make the transition over to this.
He's trying to get past the obstacle, Joey. Joey, move. Now,
Land on that, and then climb the rock wall.
hello. I'm not joking, move. I need to jump.
Okay, he's up there. Make the transition. Will he do it? Oh, and he's on it. 1 foot on, both feet on. Now the rock wall, and yeah, he's basically done. Stop! Okay, and he's up there. Are you gonna make the reach? Oh, he's sliding. He's sliding. Oh, is he? You have to climb up. You can't touch the ground. Oh, he's pretty close, guys. Can Monkey Man? Come on, Cameron. Go on. Oh, Eddie. So, X, strike.
So we need a timer for 20 seconds. And we have to go through here.
Yeah.
And then through here. And through here. Yeah, and then.
Okay. Will he do it? 1. Okay. This is too easy. He's already through the second. Already. Oh, okay. What's he doing? What's he doing? Okay. You have 7 seconds. 15, 16, 17. Okay. Oh my God, your gloves are so long. How much time does he have left? You have to go through here now. And now the top one. How much time, Sam?
5 seconds.
Oh, he's gonna make it.
One foot on each. You go from these screws here
Yep.
until the middle of that one.
Okay.
Oh, this is so easy! I can do it!
Oh, now you have to drop down. Drop down. And jump from these 2 screws. Yeah, and And he made it. Okay.
So you jump to here. And
Yeah,
over this.
Oh, jeez, I slipped.
Get up here.
Okay. Okay, making the nice reach.
We'll get some, oh geez, almost kicked me. Is he gonna get up? Get your hands on the bars.
it's an arm strength.
Oh, get your hands on the bars. Get your hands on the bars.
Spider-Man.
Go on, Sam.
One day we beat up
And
bump into each other.
now get the, yeah. Take your feet out there so you don't die.
It's kind of
And
cheap.
get, turn around and make your feet go in there.
What? There?
No, up top. And you have to pull yourself up. Go on, Sam. Come on, Sam. Get your legs up there. Oh, okay. Oh, is that a strike? Oh, he did it. Here, I got your back, bud. I got your back. Here, grab the chain. Oh! 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 Oh my God! How did he do that? Okay. Get that pull-up strength in there. Hey, get that pull-up strength. Come on.
You have to stop swinging.
Just pull yourself up. Come on. And he's getting up slowly but surely. Come on. What are you doing?
Glasses by the mouth.
The glasses are here. I got that for you.
Let's get those pizza.
No. Okay, what is he doing? Hey, you have to get out. You have to put your feet up there. You can't put your arms over. X. Strike. That's a strike.
So the next thing is climbing up on top of that thing.
Okay.
You have to jump off it.
Okay, so since Sam failed, Cameron's gonna set the same trick and see if he can do it. Come on.
That hurts so much. Look.
Obviously, those two are weaklings. I'm going to set the same trick. I'm going to do it successfully because I'm a parkour ninja. Oh, I almost did it.
And you have to jump off of it. Keep recording.
Swag.
Are you gonna be a chicken and take the strike?
Why would I chicken out? I'm better than.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm.
Okay, let's do this. Oh my God! King Sam, the king. He's gonna fail. No, he's gonna do it. Oh, strike! Ow! His hands are so bloody.
Ow. So we have to climb up here.
Yep. And what do you have to do from there?
No.
Then we have to jump down.
Okay, let's go, Sam. Let's do it. Okay.
He looks so stupid right now.
It's right here.
Oh, that's not bad.
Actually, I didn't even feel anything.
Okay, so you climb over, you go through here, and you go through here.
Okay. And boom. And you're done. So next thing is you get 3 seconds to warm up, and whoever gets the most spins in 20 seconds.
Okay, I'll count your spins.
2, 3.
1, 2,
Jesus Christ.
3,
Jesus.
4, 5,
Oh God.
6, 7,
Oh God.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17,
I'm so dizzy. Here, give me the game camera.
3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and your time's up.
I'm crippling depression.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and your time's up.
Mr. Kama only got 13 spins, so it's X number 4 for him. Quick recap, I'm at 2 strikes. Mr. King Sam is at 3, and Kama Almighty Front Flip Lord is at 4.
So what you have to do is go here, and now
You have to get across.
and now go like that.
And you have to squeeze through there.
And you have to not be stuck.
Okay.
And I wasn't stuck.
Oh!
So you use your arms to pull yourself.
Up there, yeah. Okay.
You're gonna climb across here, up onto that wall. Go across this.
Yeah. And you vault it, and that's it?
Yep.
Smoke weed every day.
Yeah. Yeah, boy. Pull yourself up there. And here we go. Professional vaulter, King Sam. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do, you have to do chin up on this one, transition, chin up, transition, chin up, and then you have to climb up there, slide on the slide, and do a nice pose. Oh, jeez.
Harder than you thought, isn't it? Sam, we're at least gonna fail one of us.
Oh. Okay, now, time for the best part, slide. Oh. Come on, Sam. Oh, and strike there.
Okay.
One chin up makes the transition to the second. Second chin up. Oh, makes it to the third. Is he gonna get a strike? Oh, that's 5 strikes. You lose. You lose, Cameron. You suck. For the finale, you have to jump up to this, go up and through here.
Step on here. The only time you can touch the buffer. Go on this. Go around. Hold it. Keep going around.
Let's get the monkey bars. Go across like that. You can't touch the ground or this. You have
Go across. Go across here. Go across here. Once you get onto this, step across here. Climb around the slide. Step on this. Step across. Step on the slide. Go across. Go onto this. Drop down the slide from here. So go to the slide. Step onto this. Here. Put your feet here. Okay. And transition over here. Go down.
timer stops here.
And 3, 2, 1.
$152.
And go. I'll see some of that high quality gameplay. Look at that face of determination. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 57 seconds, Sam. You're pretty good. And go. And press the timer.
Whoa, how did Sam beat me?
And the winner is, with 3 minutes, I'm just kidding.
It's me! Since I'm the best, I got a time of like 1:52, I believe. And Mr. King Sam behind the camera sucks! I'm just kidding, he's crying right now, but and I'm the best. I won, I guess. And I'm the only one in frame right now. And the sun is shining on me, it's beautiful. And I don't know how to end it. Insert dank meme here.